Well, I'm country, country all the time. Yes, I was raised in the fields of hay between the Mason-Dixon lines. You can hunt me down 20 years from now, find me in the pines, 'cause I'm country, country all the time. You take me to a party full of fancy Maseratis on Main Street, where all the women dress up like $1 million hottie on the silver screen. But I'd rather see a rodeo or jump into a swimming hole behind the house, skinny dipping with my woman, touching nothing but my woman of the South. 'Cause I'm country, country all the time. Yes, I was raised in the fields of hay between the Mason-Dixon lines. You can hunt me down 20 years from now, find me in the pines, 'cause I'm country, country all the time. Well, there's nothing any better than a family get-together with a barbecue, sitting in the kitchen drinking lemonade and listening to a country tune. When the moon is up, you cut a rug around the fire and have a little shindig, man. We started with some shots up in the air from the barrels of a 12-gauge band, because I'm country, country all the time. Yes, I was raised in the fields of hay between the Mason-Dixon lines. You can hunt me down 20 years from now,